Hey everyone, Honor has officially launched the Honor 200 Smart in Europe, positioning it as the latest addition to its 200 series lineup. With a competitive price tag of €220, this smartphone is aimed at users seeking reliable performance, decent features, and affordability. Slotted below the more premium Honor 200, 200 Pro, and 200 Lite, the 200 Smart balances cost-effectiveness with practical functionality. The Honor 200 Smart boasts a 6.8-inch TFT LCD display, with a resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels, delivering crisp visuals with support for 16.7 million colors. The screen, protected by aluminosilicate glass, offers enhanced durability, making it less prone to scratches or accidental drops. While it lacks the vividness of OLED panels, the TFT display is bright enough for most tasks, ensuring users have a pleasant viewing experience. Powered by Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, the device handles everyday activities such as video streaming, social media browsing, and general multitasking. While the 4 GB of RAM may seem limited for heavy users, the phone's performance should be adequate for those looking for a device focused on essential tasks. It comes with 256 GB of internal storage, which provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos, but might struggle with more resource-intensive applications. On the camera front, the Honor 200 Smart comes equipped with a 50 megapixels primary sensor and a 2 megapixels depth sensor on the rear. While the camera doesn't offer the advanced features seen on flagship models, it is capable of taking good quality photos under most lighting conditions. The 2 megapixel sensor helps add depth to portrait shots, creating a blurred background effect. The 8x digital zoom is useful, though it won't provide the sharp detail of optical zoom. Additionally, the camera supports 1080p video recording. On the front, there is a 5 megapixel selfie camera that also records 1080p video. Although modest in specs, it performs adequately for video calls and selfies, particularly in well-lit conditions. One of the most appealing features of the Honor 200 Smart is its 5200 mAh battery, which ensures long-lasting usage. Whether you're streaming videos or using 5G, this battery is developed to hold up throughout the day. When it's time to recharge, the 35-watt Honor Supercharge support will get the phone back up and running quickly. In terms of connectivity, the Honor 200 Smart is well equipped with 5G support, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC for contactless payments and quick data sharing. The device also comes with facial recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. The phone is available in 2 sleek color options, forest green and midnight black. Both are lightweight, though the forest green variant weighs slightly more at 193 grams, compared to 191 grams for midnight black. With a thickness of 8.09 mm, the phone is comfortable to hold, offering a premium feel despite its budget-friendly price. The Honor 200 Smart impresses as a well-rounded smartphone for users on a budget. Priced at just €219, it offers a solid display, reliable performance for everyday use, and long battery life. The inclusion of 5G connectivity and fast charging at this price point makes it an attractive option for anyone looking for a capable smartphone without breaking the bank. While its camera and RAM might fall short for power users, the Honor 200 Smart is a strong contender for those seeking value and functionality in their next smartphone. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new phone model? Would you purchase it for yourself? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.